Before you spend money on another tool, watch this first. These Amazon tools are designed to save time, increase productivity, and make every job easier. Stay until the end because the #1 tool is unlike anything you've seen before. VEVOR Demolition Jackhammer. If you're tired of struggling with stubborn concrete, brick, or tile, the VEVOR Demolition Jackhammer is the kind of upgrade that makes a real difference. Powered by a high-performance 1,400-watt motor, it delivers up to 2,900 blows per minute with impressive impact force, helping you break through tough materials faster and with less effort. The 360-degree rotating anti-vibration handle gives you better control and reduces fatigue during long jobs, while the included chisels let you tackle multiple demolition tasks right out of the box. Whether you're a contractor or a serious DIYer, this is one Amazon tool that's built to handle demanding projects without breaking your budget. Graco Magnum Project Painter. Painting with brushes and rollers can take hours, but the Graco Magnum Project Painter Plus helps you finish big projects in a fraction of the time. Designed for homeowners and contractors alike, it sprays paint directly from 1 or 5-gallon buckets for uninterrupted workflow. Its fully adjustable pressure control delivers a smooth, professional finish on walls, fences, decks, cabinets, and more without thinning most paints. The flexible suction system and long hose make it easy to cover large areas quickly. If you want faster painting with cleaner, more consistent results, this sprayer is a game-changing upgrade. New Master Nail Gun Cordless. If you're still using a hammer for trim work or furniture projects, you're wasting valuable time. The NU Master Cordless Nail Gun is built to make every project faster, cleaner, and more precise. This 2-in-1 tool fires both brad nails and narrow crown staples, making it perfect for trim, molding, upholstery, and light woodworking. Its cordless 20-volt battery design gives you complete freedom to work anywhere, while the built-in LED light and safety contact system improve accuracy and control. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, this tool delivers reliable performance with every trigger pull. Cordless Rivet Gun. Compatible. Installing rivets by hand can be slow, exhausting, and inconsistent, but the cordless rivet gun compatible with DEWALT batteries makes the job fast and effortless. Equipped with a powerful brushless motor, it delivers strong, consistent pulling force for smooth, secure rivet installation on aluminum and stainless steel. Quick change nose pieces let you switch rivet sizes in seconds, while the built-in LED light improves visibility in tight work areas. Whether you're tackling HVAC installations, automotive repairs, sheet metal fabrication, or DIY projects, this cordless tool boosts productivity and delivers professional quality results with every rivet. COLLOMIX XQ Paddle Mixer. Mixing mortar, grout, concrete, or self-leveling compounds by hand can be slow and inconsistent, but the COLLOMIX XQ Paddle Mixer is built for professional-grade performance. Its powerful motor and intelligent digital controls deliver smooth, lump-free mixing with precise speed settings for every material. The built-in timer and cruise control maintain consistent results without constant trigger pressure, making long mixing jobs far less tiring. Designed for contractors, tile installers, and remodelers, this premium mixer saves time, improves accuracy, and helps create stronger, more reliable mixes for every construction or renovation project. Dustless Technologies Vacuum Cleaner. Keeping a job site clean can be just as challenging as the work itself, but the Dustless Technologies Wet and Dry Vacuum Cleaner is built to handle it all. From fine construction dust to liquid spills and heavy debris, this powerful vacuum delivers strong suction without constant filter changes. Its large capacity tank, durable wheels, and easy clean filter system make cleanup faster and more efficient on busy job sites. Whether you're renovating a home, working in a workshop, or tackling commercial projects, this vacuum helps maintain a cleaner workspace, improves productivity, and lets you focus on getting the job done right. Milwaukee Fuel Hackzall. When space is tight and every cut matters, the Milwaukee Fuel Hackzall proves why it's a favorite among contractors and serious DIYers. Its compact one-handed design makes overhead work in confined spaces much easier without sacrificing cutting power. Driven by a high-performance power-state brushless motor, it powers through wood, metal, PVC, and drywall with impressive speed and precision. The low-vibration design improves comfort during long jobs, while the quick blade change system keeps your workflow moving. Whether you're remodeling, handling plumbing repairs, or electrical installations, this cordless cutting tool delivers professional-level performance that easily earns a spot in any modern toolbox. DEWALT FLEXVOLT Right Angle Drill. Drilling through studs, joists, or other tight spaces can be one of the toughest parts of any job, but the DEWALT FLEXVOLT Right Angle Drill is built to make it look easy. Powered by the FLEXVOLT 60-volt max battery platform, this heavy-duty drill delivers the torque and speed professionals need for demanding applications. Its compact right-angle design reaches places standard drills simply can't, while the 2-speed transmission gives you the flexibility to handle everything from rough framing to electrical and plumbing installations. With an anti-rotation E-clutch for added safety and a quick-change hex chuck for faster bit swaps, this is a serious job site tool that every contractor will appreciate. "19-needle fine" grinding drill, removing rust, old paint, welding slag, or stubborn coatings doesn't have to take hours. The 19-needle fine grinding drill is designed to speed up surface preparation with 19 hardened steel needles that deliver fast, consistent impact for professional results. Its lightweight pistol grip design gives you excellent control, while the pneumatic system provides reliable performance without excessive air consumption. Whether you're restoring metal, preparing welds, or cleaning industrial surfaces, this tool gets the job done quickly and efficiently. For fabricators, mechanics, and restoration professionals, it's a powerful workshop upgrade that saves time and delivers cleaner, more precise results every time. Laser level self-leveling. Getting perfectly straight lines has never been easier. The laser level self-leveling project's bright 360-degree green laser lines that make flooring, tiling, framing, cabinet installation, and ceiling work faster and far more accurate. Its automatic self-leveling system eliminates guesswork, while manual mode lets you create custom angles when needed. Built with a rugged, job site-ready design and long-lasting rechargeable batteries, it's made for both professionals and serious DIYers. Whether you're renovating a room or working on a full construction project, this precision tool helps you achieve clean, professional results with less effort and more confidence. Drywall Sander. Sanding drywall by hand is messy, exhausting, and time-consuming, but the Drywall Sander is built to make the job faster and cleaner. Its powerful motor and variable speed control let you tackle everything from fresh drywall to textured ceilings with smooth, consistent results. The built-in dust extraction system captures fine dust before it spreads, helping keep your workspace cleaner and improving visibility. An extendable handle and integrated LED light make it easy to reach high walls and ceilings without missing imperfections. Whether you're renovating a home or working on a professional job site, this tool delivers a flawless finish with less effort. DEWALT ToughSeries jacks. Lifting heavy doors, cabinets, drywall, or appliances doesn't have to be a two-person job. The DEWALT ToughSeries jacks are designed to give you hands-free lifting with precise control, making installations faster, safer, and far less stressful. Their foot-operated lifting system lets you raise heavy materials while keeping both hands free for perfect positioning and alignment. Built with rugged job site durability and impressive lifting capacity, these jacks are ideal for flooring, framing, cabinetry, and remodeling projects. Whether you're a contractor or a serious DIYer, this clever tool can save time, reduce strain, and make every installation feel effortless. Which tool impressed you the most? Tell us in the comments, hit like, and subscribe for more incredible Amazon tool discoveries. Keep watching Tech Atlas for the latest gadgets and pro tools that save time, work smarter, and make every project easier.